Legacy systems are often seen as outdated, yet they remain the backbone of many organizations. Why do companies still rely on these systems? The answer lies in their proven reliability and the critical functions they perform. Assess the existing state of the legacy system, including its architecture, code quality, and dependencies. Modify the legacy system to work with newer hardware, software, or operating systems without losing essential functionality. Address any bugs or problems that arise to ensure the legacy system continues to function smoothly. Optimize the performance of the legacy system to meet modern requirements or expectations. Regularly update security patches to protect the legacy system from vulnerabilities. Develop a transition plan for upgrading or replacing the legacy system if required, while ensuring minimal disruption to ongoing operations. In conclusion, maintaining legacy systems is a complex but necessary task to ensure they continue to meet operational needs. It involves addressing performance, security, and compatibility issues while considering the long-term strategy for system upgrades or replacements. Thank you for joining us.